What's up, everybody? Welcome to Expand Your Empire and the Conversion Pros. If you're interested in making some money from home, or you have a current business that you want to generate some more leads and make some more money, you come to the right place. First thing you have to do is go ahead and click that link down below, and let's get started. If you look right behind me, you'll see this cool little video that says paid every Friday, start for free. That means go ahead and put your wallet away. So I'm about to walk you through the easy step-by-step system that shows you how to do everything. A lot less reading, just all videos. All you have to do is follow exactly what they're telling you to do. Once you get through this first video, all you gotta do is put your information down below and click here. That'll bring you over to these videos. These videos are gonna walk you through everything on how to set up your system exactly like this. That way, if you're brand new to something like this, this will show you how to do it every which way. We can show you how to advertise on social media, whether it's Facebook or Twitter or Instagram. Me personally, I use a Hootsuite. It works fantastically. I post all three social media platforms. It takes me 2 seconds. It's awesome. You know, we have this system we've built, designed to make it so much easier for everyone who signs up. You could be a veteran in network marketing, or you can be brand new. You can still walk in and still use the system exactly the same. It's fantastic. You know, and the best thing about it, it's free to get started. That way you can be able to see, get your feet wet, and know exactly what you're doing. So that way you can start making some money. The first and most important thing you want to focus on once you're getting signed up is to find 2 people. Because once you can get 2 people, you've already made it to yourself that you can actually go out and do it again. 2 people will cover your system every single month. You ain't gotta worry about it, and then you keep on duplicating and keep on making more and more money. It's fantastic. They give you half of every single person that you get signed up. So every person that's gonna get signed up, they're gonna pay you 25 bucks per person per month. You're gonna earn that residual income. It is an amazing system. I've been in here for quite a while. The people are absolutely amazing. Now that we've all been brought together in a Facebook group so that way we can all chit chat. You know, we got people that purchase leads, we got people that go out and market, whether they're using YouTube or Vimeo or Facebook or Twitter. There's so many different ways to market these days. It's fantastic. You know, we make things as easy as possible for you. If you go through the email, we have email autoresponder that can help you out, and we'll get you set up that way. It is already set up for you. You know, you just follow through the video, the emails will go out automatically. They keep doing the updating on it too. This system alone is actually designed, this particular one is designed so that way people that are brand new to the system and want to end up generating some cash flow, this is the best way to go about it. All you gotta do is follow the videos, and then you go through all the training. It'll walk you through step by step, whether you want to advertise just on Facebook or on Twitter. You know, the more the merrier. You can make a video exactly like I'm doing right now. You know, YouTube is a fantastic way to market. If you integrate your YouTube and Instagram and Facebook's all together and post across all of them, you know, more people get to view it. So go ahead and get started. Click that link below. We'll see you on the inside. If you have any questions, all my information is right there. Go ahead and contact me. Y'all have a great day.